Building your own home is exciting, but can be intimidating. At Taylor Homes, we will guide you every step of the way. But before we can begin construction, there are a few things that you should know. Taylor Homes are built on land you own. If you do not already own a lot, we can help you locate one. Taylor Homes has over 100 flexible floor plans. We can assist you with choosing the right design for your family. If you already have land, we can design a plan that will fit your building site. If you don't yet have your lot, we can help you design a home that suits you. Then you can find a lot that fits your plan. Either way, we can help.